So we have data, right? Okay, all right. So anyone has done, right? Rohit, you have done modeling?
Sir,
Yeah, can you please share the template here in the chart window? So can you share how to share that VBX file? So click here chart, and there is option is file. So from your computer, select your computer and paste here the right location, the right VBX file you can share here.
sir, I have shared, sir.
Okay. Yeah, meanwhile, okay. So we have the tables like brokers. So brokers, in this table, the very first one is broker ID. So file like for the insurance company, like we have some kind of brokers like mediators. So we'll purchase some kind of LIC, people for LIC agent is like brokers here, agent. So for that broker ID, broker code, they have separate code for them. So even LIC, they have separate code. So broker full name, distribution network, channel, okay, and commission scheme, bonus base they have. Like that there is some data is there here. No commission, sometimes bonus based, and commission 8, commission 2. There is rules. Okay. This is the related for brokers. In the broker tables, as you know, what is the unique identity here?
Broker
Broker
ID.
ID. Broker code also unique, but we have to use always broker ID. Is the primary key. Let's clear in this table. Coming
Yes,
to the
sir.
products. So products. So product ID. What is the category and product subcategory, and what is the product? So here product ID is a unique key. So let's understand like the data. When you assign for this file, first we have to understand in the region, what is the region ID, name, country, and state name, type, latitude, longitude, area code, population, households, median income, land area, water area, time zone. These are the columns. This is completely related region. We are saying which country, state, okay, location. For the location, we can use latitude and longitude. So like this map, right? So it will ask. So coming to the customers, it's related for customer data. What is customer ID? What is the customer first name, last name, birth date, gender, participant type, like individual or say group. Okay. Region ID. So my Excel is not working. Still, I purchased even license also. It is some issues on that. So marital status. These are the column. So coming to the state regions. So each state is allocated some region. So AL is a south region, like west region, like that. In India, what are the south? South state. Yeah, yeah, Andhra Pradesh. This like that we have defined as south. So priorities, like we have priority table is there. If it is urgent priority, so we can define as priority ID 1, non-urgent 2. Yeah. So status like so status and what is outstanding, new, in progress, assigned to, resolve, pending, closed. Okay. So coming to the categories. So categories like category identity, what is the description and active, but category is active or not. Sources. So sources is company headquarters, partner, bank HQ, telecallers. So how the insurance pay? This is the sources. So directly they come company. Directly they will give insurance direct company organization or partners. Any partners are there or telecallers or bank headquarters like that. How it is come that call center, bank, small business like so types. These are the types. Compliance data. So compliance data. So if you see or if you observe all these tables, looks like we can call as dimensions. So what do you mean by dimension? My forgot. Very good. Dimension it will store kind of string data. Okay. What is the if you check here brokers? So what is the related? It's like broker related. All the string data is there. So if you go for fact, so compliance data here is a fact table. Let's see in each fact table looks like all the numeric data is there. If you see in the product ID, this table is connected to product product. If you see here broker ID is connected to the broker's table. So uh, region like that. Each customer ID it will connect customer ID. See here. So it will connect. So fact what this is fact table. It's a fact table is nothing but it's a having numeric data. So status history. So leave it for this. Hopefully not required. So it's a kind of some kind of info. Okay. ID, complaint status ID, and status date. Okay. Yeah. So this is not required. So that's all. For this is a data source. So when you connect PBX file, so this the confusion is now. So let us assume in this SQL server, so we will create brokers tables, broker data, product table data. Like that we will create. Okay, regions, customers, state regions like that. We have multiple tables. So when you connect SQL server in Power BI, so how many tables are there? It will show all the tables. Similarly, when you connect, similarly, okay, let's assume. So I'm going to create a new report. So first of all, blank report. Where is the size? So here the data is what is the data? Data is stored. What is the source?
Excel.
Excel. Everyone agree with this one? Okay. So now connect get data or Excel book. Directly it is Excel. It is there already. It will there. So as per standards, so we will connect Excel workbook. So where it is there, give the location. Where is that location? Global Power BI, right? So real-time project. This is the data Excel. So give it. If everyone done, we will save this time. Okay. See now. Huh? Yeah, yeah. That's the reason I have taken from you. Sorry. So what you can do is, so you can take brokers table. So here, see brokers table, categories table, categories, compliance data. You can load it. Select automatically it will load. Types table. Okay. So looks like some why it is showing two times. The reason is some tables are hidden in the that's why. So here brokers are coming, right? Maybe hidden or something. something else. The file, there is a file issue. Leave it that. So we have already, for understanding purpose, we have renamed underscore TBL table. So load data. As of now, I don't want to give any transformations. So just simply loading the data. So I don't want to do any Power Query transformations. If you want to do Power Query transformations, you can click transform data. You can do those operations. So simply I will load the data. So now what is happening in the background? So we have given that Excel file, right? It will connect. So Power BI, it will connect that server and fetch the data and load it those tables to here. So see, now it's loading. See, first creating connection to in model. So we'll connect Excel. So then connection is established. Then it will load the data to here. Now let's see here. The table is loaded. So let's watch here now. Go to the modeling. So if the same column name is edges, so Power BI automatically detect relationship. This is common for every file. So if the same name, so for example, if broker ID is there, compliance data, this is in this table, always the broker table it will connect. So reset layout will give and make it zoom. Okay, it will connect automatically. Okay, so sometimes, so if we see here priorities, source table, and statuses, it is not connected because the reason is exact, yes, no command. Correct. So now up to here, everyone is fine. Please do everyone the same thing. I forgot to say that. Please do everyone the same thing. Otherwise, I can say this file. I will say this. Oh yeah. 1 minute. Yeah, please. Meanwhile, you can do everyone. So data is loaded, right? Okay. Then first understand. So let's go to here. First, what you can do is for very first one or two want to familiar the modeling. First, you have to understand what is the dimension table and what is the fact table. See here. Please help me. What is the dimension table here? So just go to table view. So here, Western see the data. So broker ID is having only dimension of data. So categories, compliance data.
సార్ ఎక్స్క్యూజ్ మీ సార్ ఇది అన్ని సెలెక్ట్ చేయాలా సార్ ఇది టేబుల్స్
Only select these tables. Okay. Yes, I select all the required TBL wherever the TBL under end with underscore TBL. Select all. Okay. Okay. Now let's see. Okay. If you see here, only compliance data is a fact table, for the rest all dimensions. Agree? So fact table always connected to the dimension table. That's the reason this is fact table. It's connected to the dimension table. Brokers is a dimension table. Products is a dimension table. Customers is a dimension table. That's the reason in the product table every relation is here. Okay. So let's see now. We are familiar. So So here I have copy. Suraj.
సార్ నాకు లోడ్ చేశాను సార్ నేను డేటా మొత్తం, కానీ రెండు వచ్చాయి సార్. లైక్
అన్ని
ఇప్పుడు
సెలెక్ట్
బ్రోకర్ ఉంది,
అయ్యే
బ్రోకర్ టేబుల్.
అదే అన్ని సెలెక్ట్ చేసి ఉంటారు అది ఇష్యూ. ఓకేనా? అన్ని సెలెక్ట్
అన్ని
చేసి అన్ని చేయకూడదు, కొన్ని మాత్రమే చేయాలి.
ఓకే, మళ్ళీ ఇప్పుడు ఎట్లా చేయాలి సార్ ఇది?
Simple thing is you can open another one more new file. So
Okay.
and put it wherever the table name ending with _tb. Okay.
అదే సార్ సార్ అది _tbl అదే చేయాలా సార్?
_tbl. All the table names. For example, brokers _tbl, customers _tbl, like that. Then only those underscore ending with table only how to choose.
ఓకే సార్, ఓకే.
Okay. Let's see now. Okay. It is open. This is the diagram I have created earlier. So see here. So compliance. So compliance is a fact table. Okay. So let's go for first one by one will come. So first it will so customers data, compliance data is a fact table. It will connect with all the tables. First coming to the compliance data with brokers. Where it is there? Brokers. Yeah. So first will coming with the brokers table. So brokers table, what is the common key? Brokers table, broker ID. So compliance data, broker ID is there. Okay, broker ID is there. Okay, this. Then also parallelly you can verify it whether that relation is created or not. How to check? Go to home and go to home, modeling tab, manage relationship. Go to home, go to modeling, click manage relationship. So we can able to see here all the relationships. So already saw the broker tables, right? If you see here, so compliance data table is connected with broker ID. So what is the active relation? Make this relationship active. So fact data, this is fact data, this is dynamic. Fact data always how many rows? So that indicates star. Mini indicate star. So for that, dimension table 1. 1 to dimension always 1. Fact table many rows. So 1 to many from dimension to fact. So clear. Cross filter direction single and both is there. Will go one by one. So select as right now single. Make this relationship active. So click save it. So now it is done. So for the very first step. Next one is no products. So come here. Brokers is done. What is the next dimension? We want to connect with the complex data fact table. So products. Any questions so far? Next, అర్థమవుతుందా? చేశారా మీరు? చేయలేదు. ఏదైనా అర్థం కాకపోతే ఇప్పుడే నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను మళ్ళీ చేయండి. సో లేట్ అయినా ఇబ్బంది లేదు మనకి ఈరోజు. ఎనివే ఈరోజు అంతా మోడలింగ్ లోనే అయిపోతుంది మనకు, ఎందుకంటే ఒకసారి సెటప్ అయిపోయింది. సో టుమారో నుంచి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి. సో జ్యోతి మీరు చేస్తున్నారా? జ్యోతి ఓకే, వెరీ గుడ్. సో సాయి, రాహుల్ రామకిషోర్.
ఎస్ సార్.
ఓకే, very good. Please, if anyone is not doing, please ready for that, so that everyone, like every report, like whatever we are going to implement, so make sure that we have to work on in the class only, not from homework. For homework, like we will give some kind of assignment. So if it is the similar things is there, we'll give it. Okay. Okay. So now if you go for Excel data, brokers is done, will product. Let's connect to the fact table. So now again click manage relationship. So product. So already relation is established. If you want for this one, I will remove it. How to add as a product? So I will remove or delete it because it's taking time. Okay, delete. So now there is no product. So how to create a new relationship? Click new relationship from table. So what is the from table? You can give either fact table or dimension table. Choice is yours. Always better you can go for fact table as a, what is fact table? Compliance data table. So what is the true table? Products. So products. Then what is the ID? Okay. So automatically this cardinality and cross filter direction automatically come. So click save it. Now the relation is created. So a relation is created. See, product ID, product. Let's see here. Now compliance, broker ID. Where is product? Here, product is completed. So always one to many. Let's go for what is the next one? Regions. Okay, regions. So find out the region is there or not. So how can verify in the PBX file? So close it. Go to the here fact table. So find out the region. So region, customer ID, broker ID, product, complaint type. So complaint source, complaint category.
Yes, sir.
Then we have to look region column. So region ID. So region ID again, it is connecting state code, state, area code. So state, any other source tables, state regions are there. Okay, here it is state region is there. Okay, so let's set customers table. In this table, customer ID is there. Okay, see now. So this table, so fact table is connected, customer table. Again, customer table, we can get it region ID. What is this dimensions? We have two kind of dimensions. Star schema, snowflake schema. Yes, remember, very good. Snowflake schema. A dimension again splitted with another dimension, it is called as snowflake schema. Star schema means always all the dimensions are connected to the fact table. That is called as star schema. So now it will enter. So this customer is a one dimension. This dimension again connected with another dimension, region. So here region ID is there. We connect directly. We don't have connect this fact table to region code. So first this fact table it will connect customer table. From customer table we can connect with region table. So let's see region ID is there. Understood? So let's see if you see the diagram. First we have to, if you want to connect region table, you want to connect region table. We don't have direct column, region ID column is not existing to the fact table. So how we can verify it? The simple technique is go to the PBX file, and simply you can type as region. If you are not aware that region. So when you type as region, it will come automatically. Okay. So how many tables this region column? Customers table, region ID column is there. Region table, region ID is there. State region table, region column is there. So simply based on this, we can analyze. So directly the fact table is connected to the customer table. Again, customer table is connected to the region table. So understand. This is analysis is required. This kind of analysis. Okay. So first of all, what are you looking? Type at least a common name. Just accordingly you can connect it. So now we are familiar. So we want to region connect first before we have to complete customer. We have to connect first customer table. Let's go here. So go to modeling again. Click. So customers. So yeah, customers already created. Let's edit. Verify it. So customer ID connected. So compliance data, customer ID, many to 1. So it is the active region. Understood? So close it. Now we want to customer. See, already created. Customer table again created. Region table. Already relationship established. So if you see the diagram. So see here, compliance. This is region table. Customers table is there. We want to connect to compliance directly. The customer table is connected to the fact table. Okay. Again, this dimensions, region dimension is connected to the customer table. Okay. Again, this state region. So we have 3 regions, right? We have found in the search history. So state region, again, we want to connect region table, region code is there. See here, state region. Based on this region code, we want to get the region. I want to get south region, west region. For that column, we want to get this state region table itself. So this column I want to fetch. Then we have to based on this state code. The state code here in the region table, state code is there. So, but region name is not there here. Just watch it. Region name is there or not? Here, south, west. That region name is there. You want to particular this region ID. You want to fetch that region name. So you have to connect again. Connect. You want to connect state region table. So in this state region, we have region. Okay, southwest, northwest, midwest. Okay. So similarly, I have designed the diagram. So region by using state code, we will connect and fetch the region name here. Okay. So up to here clear, customer, region, state region. These three tables are created, like relations are created, let us assume. So now, so customers, state region, these three are done. So coming to the priorities, priority ID, whether it is there or not, just find out the table. So priorities, right? Components ID. So product ID is there. Compliant priority ID. The column name is called as compliant priority ID. Here. See here, if you whether this column is correct or not, how to verify? Just verify the data as well as we have only two priorities, 1 and 2. Just go through this priorities table. Again, you can verify it. Only the data is matching or not. Go to again priority tables. So we have 1 and 2 values. So looks like this column is correct. So we can create priorities column based on compliant priority ID. So next product already connected. Dates, we have dates table. No dates table. Okay. We create one more dates table. So through that, like recently I have shared one tax story, right? Dates. Dates. Script, tax flow పంపించాను. So we'll create it. That leave it. We'll create it. Source table. We'll explain. So sources. So sources. Let's see. Statuses. Priority is done, right? The next one is status. So status, we have any like any column is there. Just find out, type it. So status, compliant data, compliant status is there. Status table, status ID is there. Based on this column, we can join it. So similarly, I have mentioned compliant status ID. We can join it. So source also we using compliant source ID is there. We can join it. Okay. Then status history data. So based on compliant ID, status history data based on complaint ID, we can join. Okay. The last one is types, complaint type ID. So now we have very clear based on this diagram. This diagram I have in the first demo, not first demo, earlier I have explained real time. That time I have designed this diagram. Okay. So if this image is not clear, let's go with new image.
Sir, can you share the image in WhatsApp? So
Yes. I will share. So I will share this image through WhatsApp. So here also it is there. Brokers, products, region. So compliance data, see here, compliance data is connected, broker ID. So products, so region, customer. Again, region, it will customer, customers to connected regions. See here. In this diagram, we can add. I will say this both diagrams in WhatsApp. Yes. So that is first real time లో మనకు వర్క్ ఎలా స్టార్ట్ అవుతుందంటే ఫస్ట్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ వస్తుంది, ఫస్ట్ ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్, ఫస్ట్ మోడలింగ్, ఫస్ట్ డేటా లోడ్ అయిపోయింది, అన్ని టేబుల్స్ ఏమేమి టేబుల్స్ ఒక రిపోర్ట్ ఉంది, 5 టేబుల్స్ అవసరం వస్తుంది. 5 టేబుల్స్ లోడ్ చేసినాక ఫస్ట్ వీ కెన్ క్రియేట్ రిలేషన్స్, మోడలింగ్ చేయాలి. మోడలింగ్ చేసుకున్నాక మాత్రమే అప్పుడు రియల్ గా ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాం. సో ఏంటి ఇప్పుడు చెప్పు. రీజన్, స్టేట్ రీజన్, స్టేట్ కోడ్, స్టేట్ రీజన్. Just open it and make this relationship active. Check it. Check this relationship is active. Okay. So once modeling, so somewhere it will the table is connected. So which table is this one, right? Region, right? Region, state region. Just want to verify it. The state region it will connected twice. Give me, I can help you. If you sell the laptop, I can help you. I will fix that issue. Okay. So where is that state region? Here, right? Inactive. Right? So the issue when you try and make this relationship is active. Okay. Okay. The ambiguous path between region table, state region table. So like that it is connected. So the reason is, so go to the modeling here. Customer table, region table, state region. So we have two things are there. Okay. See the same table. So how many active relationships between two tables? How many active relationships?
Only one.
One active relationship between the two tables. So here, if you watch it here, region table it is connected state, region table it is connected state code. So state code already is active. We are trying to create one more relationship. That's the reason this showing as is active. Okay. So go through this diagram. Go through this diagram and create the relationship. Accordingly. నన్ను కొట్టింది కదా. ఓకే. Yeah, from tomorrow class, I think let's wait for 3 more minutes. Let's see. Okay, for tomorrow class, like this is the report we are going to implement as part of this file. Okay, so this is the main menu. So umbrella menu. Let's click. So we have total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages are there. When you click overview page, it will navigate to overview page. Okay, this is the overview page. So, and again, when you click main page from here, it will go back to the overview page. This is the relations. Like, so let's go to the overview page. Overview page. Like, we will know how many complaints happen for insurance, like the closed complaints and open complaints. This plus this. So how to define open closed complaints? We want to create one formula for that. So what is that? There is a status, right? Say complaint is open or not. Go to here. Go to status. So we have status ID description. So ID description. So 1 description outstanding, 2 new, 3 in progress, 4 assigned to, 5 resolved, 6 pending, 9 closed. So you watch it, just watch it. This column is not this, whatever the document is, sorry, whatever the Excel provided, right? Status says, right? Status, yeah. If you see here, I did not given that column. So we want to create one calculated column based on this status. So how can create the column? So the requirement is we want to accept close. We want to for this all are open. This one close. Tell me. Okay, I will do it. So where is our Excel? So go to statuses, right? So we have table, right? Statuses. So let's see. Yeah, statuses. We want to create as a new column. Yes, we want to create as a new column. Please help me. We want to create status. Equal to, I'm going to give a status column. Please help me. Rohit, it's over to you. I want to create a calculated column. If the description is closed, then you have to give close. Otherwise, you can give as open. If else condition. So if what is the column name? If description equal to closed, then close. You have to give the value close, else open. See, now everyone is telling while writing the X. It's what? Okay. Okay. See here. So based on this one. So anyway, we'll cover as part of this. Whatever the mystery concept also we can cover. So if this value description value is closed, then we want to give close. For other spending, other descriptions, we want to open. Okay. So like that, we can create as a columns, calculate columns. Measures always we have to write for count related. So overview page, if you see overview page, so now we can see total complaints, count of complaint ID. How we can go through this one? So I can explain it for this. So complaints. So we have to see here. I have created measures related part compliance table. These are all the measures we created here. Okay, measures you can keep as measures. All the measures we can keep here. Similarly, I have explained this how to create a measure table. Right? So simple. Go to modeling, new table, cursor. Write in a table name. Write a table name is equal to measures. So measures. Write the table name measures and enter. It will create as a new table. So it will create automatically one column. Table row column. So here it is created. Measures. So then it is table is created. You can write as row as column name and blank values for that. You can write this one also. It will work. Okay. Row, column name, column name and blank. What are the value we are passing blank. So after that, finally you can remove this column. Once added, right click new measures. So after that, you can right click new measure. You can add it. So now, so the total here, what is total? So here, where is the compliance table? So here, what is the compliance? ID is a common key here. So we want to count of complaint ID. So let's see here, what is the measure we are using? So total compliance, distinct count of complaint ID. So this one, this is status, open or close or open. So this is looks like we want to create as of now based on your knowledge here. We will create how many, how we can achieve this way. Which visual? Please help me. Third visual. Yeah, multi-cards. Yes. So let's try. So multi-card. So we created status column, right? Just now. Open and close. We have derived from statuses. From statuses, we have derived as a new column. Status, we have derived as a overview status. So we have defined open and close. Now, what is the compliance? So where we can get it? Complaint ID. Total complaints. So looks like it will come like this one. Close, open, like. So this is one thing. So another approach is right click, card visual. So card visual, simply we can create total compliance. So this is total compliance. Okay. So right click, go to here, general title. We want to title, enable the title, right? Total complaints. Okay. Total complaints. So we want to give background color. So anything. sorry, background color we want to give that. So text color, we want to give some white color. So I want to make it turn off this one. Select this usual. So category label. Okay, this is total compliance. So what is
Sir, background మీద చేంజ్ చేయాలి కదా సార్ మనం?
huh?
Background
Background? So go to
color.
so this is title. So total compliance. This is for title. For title, go to general, go to title, type some total compliance. For total compliance only, we are applying background color as this color. Okay. So here it is there. Background color, it is everything is there. Background color, text color, you want to make it alignment is central, like, and also you want to increase the font size 15. Okay, you can change this function. So now total compliance came. So remove, I want to the status of how many open, how many close. Okay. So first of all, we want to change. This is open compliance. So change the text. Total instead of total, open. Keep it open. So what is the how to identify it's a open complaint or it's a closed complaint? Which table we have? So this is we have created a new column ovary status. So in this ovary status, we have defined as a closed equal to closed as open. We have created this calculated column, drag and drop here. So right click. So we want to apply the filter on this is one. So we have status. So drag and drop this filter here. Okay. So open. So click open. This is click open. Click closed. Only all are closed. All are open. So we did not given proper relations. Oh, proper relations also there. This is actual file, right? So all are closed, closed one only. Okay. There is no open. Let us do. Let's see how it is there. Any logic modify. So what they have taken? So overall status count of IDs. Okay. So here they have defined as instead of total compliance, we have compliance table. Where is compliance table count of ID, distinct ID. So count of distinct ID. Here the status is open. Okay. Now there is issue on that measure actually. That's the reason. So open. So similarly, we want to control C, control V, right? So what is the next one? That's excellent. So what is the first step we want to change? We want to change what is this? Title. Title. Where we want to change? Go to properties, change, general, title, close. Then what is the status we have to choose? Close. Also we can write tax number 7. So calculate distinct count of compliance ID, comma, filter, table name, status as where status overall status equal to open. Huh? This also? Yeah, for that there is one more approach. It is called as here. So another way is so go to matrix table. So matrix table. So give columns. So go to column. Overall status. Close and open will come. So this is rows. We have to give columns. So now see here. close and go. 5 minutes. And go to this compliance. So ID values. So you don't want to total. So total 3831 50 open. So you want to make it do some kind of options. So column, this is column subtotal. We want to make it turn on, will turn on. And also we have to layout some slides. Default is there. Instead of that we go for keep none, the blue color will go away. Have to do some kind of things. And also if you don't want to see this one also, so we want to find out that color give as white, it won't come. Okay, understood? So close and open. So matrix, go to the matrix table, look and feel how they want, we can go with that option. So what you can do is, for practices for tomorrow, I need from everyone, this is very, very crucial time for everyone. Please make sure that first we will create modeling. I will share this images as well as that WhatsApp group. Okay, I will share this document. So, assignment. Okay. So accordingly, just follow that. If you are do not go through that email, just want to understand why can't create a email. Your side also you can try. Okay. So that easily save that for everything project files and keep on folder and save it that Excel as well, whatever you are doing. So that it will helpful for the future. That's other area of So today, so for tomorrow class, please everyone enable the modeling for all and try to create this page. Now I have explained, right? So total how it's coming. Okay, close and open. Methods we have to create it. So what is total? How to write it total? Dates to సంబంధం లేదు. Dates to వదిలిపెట్టి total వచ్చేస్తుంది. So I want to total closed open west to midwest to south to northwest. What is that? This is region. You know, there is a state region table is there, right? In the state region, so we can able to see here state region. You have to give only state region. So you have to give the region column. That's all. So in the instead of what I can do is instead of here I can change overview status instead of region. So it will come automatically. See here, Midwest, Northwest. Understood? So like that, if you can try to complete, please make sure that everyone follow the same design, look and feel code. Okay, and no satisfied, not available, satisfied. So this is I think status. Okay, complete try to up to here. That's all. Okay, for tomorrow, everyone. So this one up to here. Yeah, that's all for today class. Any questions?
No, sir.
Yeah, thank you all.